poppin' pretty gang. Today's video is going to be me teaching you how to do a DIY at home pedicure, because with this corona stuff going on, my babies can't make it to the shop. I can't make it to the shop to get my feet done, but I got you. I'm going to show you how to do your own pedicure at home and hook your feet up. And probably after this corona stuff is over, you're still going to be doing your own feet. This is going to save you money and time. I always do my own feet, so yeah. So pretty much all I did was remove the polish from my feet, and I'm soaking my feet. And right now, before I did this part, I soaked my feet for about 15 minutes, and then I start to do this, which I got this brush thing from the dollar store, and it comes with a brush, a pumice stone, and a foot file. So the pumice stone, I lost it. I don't know where it went. This was a dollar store, it just fell off. Please do not mind my hairy arms. I'm well aware that I have hairy arms and fat old ankles, okay? But all I'm doing is pretty much scraping my feet, brushing my feet, showing some tender love and care, and then I'm using the scraper, and then I'm just scraping at my feet to get all the dead skin off, and then I'll use the foot file part just to get all of that extra skin off. Missouri. Okay, so after that, I'm taking this exfoliating glove, and then I'm going to take some scrub that I got. Don't ask me why this jar is so beat up, because I don't even know. But this, I'm just using the last of this scrub, because it be like that sometimes. Nobody judge me, because I ain't got no more. So I'm pretty much scrubbing my feet with the glove and the scrub. Just gives me a really, really good exfoliation. And your feet is going to be so soft after this. I'm telling you, try it. Okay, so now I'm taking my feet out of the bowl thingy for my feet, and I'm just drying my feet off. First, let me say I love this foot bowl. Like, it vibrates, it makes bubbles. If the water gets cold, it heats up. I don't even know where I got this from. I actually got this from my mom. She had it, but I will see where it's from and try to see if I can link in the description. So right now, all I'm doing is filing my feet. I'm so sorry that I didn't get this in the camera angle, but pretty much all I did was file my feet nice and straight across and square. And then I'm just applying this toe separator. You do not have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm applying this toe separator and polishing my feet. The first things first, if you do not push your cuticles back, you will not have that professional look that you're looking for. You gotta push those cuticles back, boo. Otherwise, it won't look right. So just push your cuticles back. I did the same thing to my other foot off camera. So now I'm about to, after this, I'm going to start polishing my feet, and all you have to do is watch me polish my feet. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can visually see it and know what to do. Missouri.
Missouri. Missouri. Missouri. Missouri. Missouri.
Okay, so now that I'm all done with my feet polishing, I'm going to take this razor and I'm just going to pretty much shave any hair on my feet that are on off. So it just gives you a cleaner look. I don't know. I'm weird and I grow hair on my feet, which is not weird. It's natural. But I'm going to take this oil. Now, I know y'all probably like this hair oil. I don't care. I like that it has the little dropper, which comes in handy for my feet. So then I'm just pressing little droplets. And what it does is just seeps right down into my cuticles and gives me that nice finished salon look that everybody loves. You got to do this step. It's mandatory if you get that nice looking finish. So that's pretty much what I do. And I'm just taking this brush to get it into my cuticles a little bit better. So yeah. So then I'm going to take some Vaseline and my favorite lotion from Walgreens. Love this stuff. I said Walgreens, Walmart. And then I'm just mixing the two together. And this is just going to give me a nice, smooth foot. Okay. Put this on your feet and your feet are going to feel good. Do not touch your toes because our polish is still drying. Make sure you put on some house shoes that have your toes out and in the open so it can dry, because it does take a while for your feet to dry. so you don't mess them up. So after that, that's pretty much all I did for this tutorial. I hope you guys love this. I hope it helped you guys out a lot. If you did, make sure you subscribe and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And yeah, peace, pretty gang.